In this video, we are going to show you how to fix error code 0xc0000001 on Windows 11 on your PC. Right, so if your system is not booting up due to this error code, you can run startup repair to fix the issue. Turn on Windows PC, and as soon as the Windows logo appears on your computer, press the power button. Repeat this step 3 times. After the third interruption, Windows 10 will open the automatic repair environment. So in the automatic repair environment, click Advanced option on the screen and follow the given steps to perform startup repair. Select Troubleshoot. After that, choose Advanced options from the screen. Then click Startup Repair and proceed. Choose the type of account and type your password, and then click Continue. Once it is done, the startup repair will start. Follow the instructions given on the screen for completing the startup repair process, and check if the issue is fixed by restarting your computer system. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.